After nearly 1 full year away from the sailing and cruising lifestyle, I finally returned to the crystal clear blue waters of the Bahamas, but not as captain of my own sailboat, instead as crew on board my friends' catamarans. And I'm bringing my girlfriend so she can experience sailboat living at its best.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I have slept in. Good morning. Like living the catamaran life. It's a little chilly today because of the northerly winds. But I like that. It made for a really good night's sleep. Yeah, we're all pulling pretty northward right now to relax, rest. I like the sound of that. Yes, I am playing Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 while on a boat. Life's good. Thank you so much, my Call of Duty and my Call of Coffee. Pretty good life. Perfect poached egg.
Ouch. Did I? Oh,
That's fine. It's gonna fall over there.
Gigi just made a perfect
Okay, now
poached
salt and
egg.
pepper again.
Look at this. Look at what we're getting here.
Alright, you're gonna need,
What do we do to deserve this?
Just by existing.
Just be smiles on your faces.
Oh, Muti smiles enough for both of us. That's what we like about Muti.
Another one.
I just learned there's lobster in the hollandaise sauce. So we have lobster hollandaise sauce on a perfectly poached egg
With spinach and tomato.
and some butter on toast with oranges. That's a lot. That's a lot of goodness. Muti, what did we do to deserve this? What did we do?
Because you do a lot of
well,
things.
maybe it's what you're gonna
Maybe
do.
it's catching.
Oh, what are we gonna do?
I can't
Well,
catch
whatever I
this.
say.
Oh,
He's the captain.
well. I think I'll
That's
just
right.
have oatmeal again
That's
this
right.
morning. Come on.
I said, this is the best breakfast I've ever had in my life.
This is really, really
Delicious.
good. Once you dive in and you get the toast and the spinach and the tomato and everything, it's just...
Yeah, it's not like it's
And you guys put this together so fast. I can't believe it. So fast.
I'm gonna try to replicate this at home, okay?
Well, see, this is not my specialty to put this efficiency.
Yeah.
Figure out how to do it quickly. And that's why you don't have to read every single little ingredient. That takes time.
Look at this.
Hi.
Nice. All right. We're going to head off to my secret luxury survival cave. All right, Muti, what do you think? Is this seaworthy?
Yes.
Really?
Look out. I'm going slower. Look at that.
Baby shark right there. All right. See how nice and calm it is? And now we can see the bottom. This is why we rushed. Oh, that's a stingray. Paddle us towards it. Paddle us. Back paddle on the right. So we're looking for the luxury
Up there, right?
survival. I don't know, where is it? Do you see it? Somewhere around here.
It's right there. Is that one?
It is right there, and it looks like a heap.
Where si Pekan for?
Yeah. Yeah, this was my bed. Come on inside and take a look. And it looks like those lizards have laid even more eggs. Wait, hold it. There's gonna be a little skeleton inside, I think. Look at that.
Oh
Look
no.
at that. It's like a perfect little skull. That's his little bottom jaw.
Skeleton, baby.
Look at that. That is so cute. All right, this place is pretty much a total disaster. It was really cool when it was up, though. You could go in through here, and it was like a little hole through all the bushes and everything. And gray triggerfish. Keep this spot. Don't move a muscle. He should come right up to us. Pretty good size. Now you won't attack us. If I had a spear with me.
Yeah, swimming sideways.
Look at this. So all of this was actually a smuggling plane of some sort. It went to land on the airport nearby here in the night. They thought they were being clever, but they missed the airport obviously, and bam, just smacked right into this. Yeah, it's like a phone, maybe a satellite phone right there that got burnt up. Oh, I see something cool.
Good idea.
That's pretty cool. Look at, and we have the exact time the plane crashed. That's cool. I can't tell you how many people have come through here too. I'm surprised that nobody's taken this. You gotta look up how much a Invicta watch goes for. This is a pretty interesting souvenir from this wreck. Could have been on the captain who died. Who knows? All right, what do you guys think? Should I leave it or should I take it? What do you think? Leave it in the comments below. Leave it or take it, and why? That is so cool. We've been seeing quite a few conch too, like pretty big ones that we could harvest if we really wanted. Pretty much a conch every 20, 30 feet. All right, I'm heading out on a goat hunt. I've only got maybe 2 hours. I've got one spot I'm gonna try to hunt, and if they're not there, they're not there. That's just how it's gonna go. Let's go get it! Yee! All right, so I'm loaded up here, just a field tip. I gotta sight this thing in a little bit. I'll be good to go. I'm gonna probably plan on taking a shot no longer than 20 yards. That's my plan. Yeah, we'll get in, get close, hit them, keep a chase on them, hopefully take them down. All right, there's just nothing over here. I'm gonna try to hop back in the dinghy and do a mission around the side. This has to be the single dumbest mistake of my entire life. All right, I feel it. The bolt is in there. I can feel it now. I just have to patch it once I can get this out. What a dumb mistake. Oh my gosh. So I had my broadhead loaded up way back there on the shoreline where the seaweed is. I aim at something that's 20 yards away with a little bit of water. It hits the water and then I see it skip and I go, oh no, it's gonna go far. And I have so much time to think about it because it's close to 200 yards away. It skips and skips and skips until it hits the dinghy. And I just hear thunk. But I think it still somehow gets worse. Bolt is inside there somewhere with a broadhead on it. Oh, Ralph is gonna kill me. I have no idea how I messed up this bad. Obviously, look what's downrange of what you're shooting, but I've never in my wildest dreams thought a bolt could skip for 200 yards. Oh my God. I am so stupid right now. Look at this. Best I think I can do right now is put something in the hole so it doesn't get water in it on my way back. And I just got to explain it to Ralph and apologize and be ready to fix it, whatever it takes. I feel like such a nincompoop right now. I cannot believe it. Ladies and gentlemen, the dumbest thing I've ever done. That was just so stupid. Always look downrange when you're shooting. Always. Even if you think what you're shooting doesn't have enough power. I've said it before, this bad ballista, it's great at throwing these things really hard, but it throws them so stupid hard, you never get them back. And now it went straight into this. Look at this. This was so preventable. So preventable. Oh my God, was this preventable. Jesus, look at it. All right, let's hope I don't get any water in it while I go back. I am not looking forward to this. So here's what happened. Easy 200 yards from the dinghy, didn't think anything of it, and I shoot it, and it was such a far distance. I had time, and what at the time was worse, but is no longer a factor. I am so sorry, you guys. It should just be a patch. It should just be a clean hole. I am prepared to do whatever it takes to repair it or get anything new or whatever it takes here to...
Where's the hole?
It's on the other side. I put a glove in it.
I'm saying, after you shot my dinghy and deflated the bow, I'm sure you will work very hard and make a great video about how you fixed it and how well it holds after it's done. And if you don't succeed the first time, I'm sure there will be a follow-up video.
This may be the whole trip. That's
That's
and
right.
I'm prepared for that.
How
I'm
I
happily prepared for that.
Right, how I repaired the dinghy that I shot. Tack oyster.
We went to
wow.
that dock and there were oysters growing
Yes.
out.
So
out
you
of
might
it.
think of oysters as little clammy
And
things
one
that just
went
lie
right into the
around.
side of the dinghy.
But
Not
there are
this one,
attack
but another
oysters
dinghy.
that if you get too close to them, they will puncture a hole in your...
Wow.
They're
And,
growing.
and you know what's bad about them? Unlike a broadhead, it's not a clean. It's a very jagged cut.
Right.
But a broadhead is great because it's just clean.
Right.
Right.
So
Well,
we are so pleased
we were
that
trying
you
to.
shot us with a nice, sharp,
Really expensive broadhead.
expensive.
Too.
I mean,
Yeah,
you wouldn't want it. We wouldn't want to be shot by some cheapo.
I had cheap ones, but the cheap
Right.
ones wouldn't have made it.
Only the best.
They wouldn't skip because these ones are perfectly, apparently designed to skip with their one flat side.
I see.
Very, very special. Very, very special.
So we could do
We have
kind
some
of the
room even just
opposite
to-
here, but we might.
So we have the
depend. We'll see what. But
You know what? Really, Ralph, when I shot your dinghy from 200 yards away, let's be honest. That's an impressive shot. Most people can't make that.
you
but
know, I completely forgot to be impressed
That's why I reminded you.
at the late.
You seemed angry for some reason, but I was like, he should be impressed right now. Why is he not impressed?
I mean, you're right. Not everybody can shoot a dinghy from 200 yards.
So this is what just popped the dinghy.
Oh, very
And if you notice,
deadly looking.
it doesn't even come to a point. It comes to a blade, and then you have one blade this side, one blade that side, two blades on top, two blades on top. So what it must have done was caught it just right when it went to hit. It was like the bottom of a conch shell I was aiming for, to sight in. Must have hit that and just hit perfectly here. Because doesn't that look like an excellent skimming device?
It does. It does. It looks like if you were shooting that, you would be prepared for the possibility that it would, especially if you were shooting at a low angle.
You know what they say?
Hindsight.
Bad decisions make great stories.
That's right.
Is that what they say?
Oh, by the way, this is actually the one that went into the dinghy.
Oh.
And would you like this as a memento?
No.
We won't.
I'll keep it. I'll get a goat with this one then. So Muti, why did all this just happen to me?
Because before you left, I said, be careful, okay? You said, no!
I did. I hate it when people tell me to generically be careful.
Daniel, do not make mistake. Maybe I should have said that.
That's what every man wants his girl to say. Don't make mistakes. Don't make mistakes. Curiosity, can I bribe everybody to not tell Ted and Kim? Is that...
You probably could, but I don't think you have enough cash with you.
No, but it was worth a try.
He's definitely gonna ask about this
We're going to
dinghy.
ask about what's going on with the dinghy.
Yeah.
Tray out and stuff on it. Yep.
All right, everybody act normal.
They're coming.
Or is it kind of a one-bite kitchen?
here. We're gonna have a good old time.
Some lobster salad.
Now, Leslie, you know I
So
don't
help
deserve this right now.
yourselves.
You know I don't deserve this right now.
Oh, sweetheart, it doesn't matter. You can. We'll let you have some. Here, I'll even
Dan.
make it.
Yes,
for
sir.
you.
You don't have to eat it then.
Oh, but I'm being.
Now what are you going to do?
Dan, you need to capture that.
Wow, look at that. That is just incredible. That is something. An absolute miracle, wouldn't you say, Ralph?
Yes,
like, what were the
definitely.
odds? Like, what were the odds?
Now,
Like,
how many miracles can we actually have in a day? Wow.
look at that.
Sorry.
Look at that. Isn't that beautiful out there? Ladies and gentlemen, fish is ready.
Okay.
We have slightly perfected the Zataran's knockoff. It actually looks pretty similar to Zataran's. Stove doesn't get quite as hot, so I can't put the same crisp to it, but I don't know, I think I got this one pretty good. I'm excited to see what everybody thinks about it. So we got mac and cheese, lobster. Now, is this lobster mac and cheese or mac and cheese with lobster?
It's lobster mac and cheese. There's more. There should be more lobster than pasta. Hopefully.
That's what we can do out here. I love that.
Papaya from that
Salad, papaya, we got mango, and of course we got the fish.
I want to try everything. So
This is pretty good. Look at this gang.
Let's go.
For the thumbnail.
Well, did you turn the light on?
Take a bite so I can get like up close.
Right here.
You
Your
wanna
fish.
No,
pull you in?
I don't.
Because I was going to get the chair.
Sit over there. That's
pretty darn good.
I don't.
Good night. All right, I finally won a round. What do you
I
think,
was
Woodsy?
gonna go there. I forgot about.
119. I had double 12s, double 9, everything. Never got to play on my train. And look how happy she
Poor
is.
baby.
Look how happy he is. Only Leslie is the good one here.
Yeah. As you two fight it out for last.
What's happening, Ralph?
I don't have a 7.
No.
Why are you doing me?
So you can't go?
He's doing me.
You think I was doing you?
Yeah.
Wait, what's the word? What's the word you looked up last night? That she
Oh
is?
my god. I am not that.
Histrionic.
Histrionic.
I am not that.
Look it up, folks. Look up histrionic.
I swear to
It's a
God.
movie. Yeah, but see? Right there. There it is. I'm sorry,
I
you
could have
guys.
played another really big.
Yeah,
I'm sorry. Sorry.
You should be sorry.
You don't have.
Who won this game? Who won the whole game? All 13 rounds. Mootie's first time Lady Luck.
Finally.
Lady
How
Luck.
many did you have on?
Who got the most points? And in third place?
Ralph.
Really?
Ralph is next to last.
Wow! Yes!
How is that possible?
I gave a whole speech about how third place is the worst. First place, obviously great. Second place, you're runner-up. Fourth place, you get the most numbers. But third place, what do you get?
I'm second.
Second.
Yeah.
330.
And the last
And
one?
you're 290, just 2 points between the two of us.
Really?
Oh.
You know, technically, Leslie has the most ability to win because you can just fudge the numbers. Just Thanks for joining me on this adventure. I hope you feel inspired to begin adventures of your own. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For an exclusive, in-depth look at this adventure lifestyle and to further support my channel, become a member of my Patreon crew. Link in the description. I'll see you on the next adventure.